one region, one strategy. But the reality? That's the brutal reality check. I've been working across CEE markets over years, and I keep seeing the same mistake. Most global companies treat their region as one market. That assumption can be $1 million mistake. What works perfectly fine in Poland completely fails here in Bulgaria. Today on Marketing Nomadini, I will show you why in this region culture always its strategy for breakfast. Poland is a convenience laboratory. Retail is an algorithm. Żabka isn't really a store, it's a system that knows you want coffee before you do. In Poland, over 80% of transactions are digital. We are a digital tiger that loves speed. But look at this, in Bulgaria, more than half of the market still runs on cash. And 42% accounts for the traditional retail. That's 4 times more than in Poland. Here, convenience doesn't mean removing the cashier. It means proximity, relationship, and trust in a person, not in a terminal. Business history of CEE is a graveyard of companies that took shortcuts. Take Carrefour. They managed Bulgaria from Greece, imposing Western standards. They failed to understand that for Bulgarians, the fresh local yogurt and cheese are sacred. Something a French camembert cannot replace. The result? Empty shelves and a very public market exit. Even McDonald's, they had to slow down here. In Poland, they have 10 times more restaurants than in Bulgaria. Because the banitsa from the local bakery and the neighborhood grill bar win both on price and taste. A global logo lost to a local street food tradition. But some companies, they did learn the lesson. Kaufland in Bulgaria is a completely different animal than in Poland. They understood that Bulgarians don't want the German quality. They want the Bulgarian taste with the German standard. By creating the Bulgarska line and heavily promoting local farmers, they became more Bulgarian than smaller local competitors. To understand the CEE, you need to break it down into 3 foundations. Trust. In Poland, we trust systems. In Bulgaria, we trust cash and a familiar face. Definition of convenience. In Warsaw, it's about saving seconds. In Sofia, it's a social function. The shop is the heart of the neighborhood. Consumer patriotism. People here aren't chasing the West. They try to find their own identity in a modern form. Understanding CEE is a lesson in humility. But if these differences feel big, wait until the next episode. I'm taking you to India. A place where 10-minute delivery is almost a religion. Together with my guest, we'll challenge everything you think you know about modern retail. See you then on Marketing Nomadini.